Aspen, a 4-year-old Doberman with 9-day-old pups, is scaring her owner.
Well, I've been crying for days. This is Aspen's 4th litter. Everything was fine, and then on day 2, she started having diarrhea. We tried the bland diet, still diarrhea, and then she started vomiting. So it sort of concerns me that maybe something is left in there or, blockage. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with her.
Somebody way back here. Hi. They're very cute.
Got some in the milk coma.
They all look very comatose.
Yes.
How often has she been vomiting?
First, she started with diarrhea. Got anti-diarrhea meds, and she stopped having diarrhea. Well, then yesterday she vomited every single time she ate anything, and then she wouldn't eat this morning.
All right, I think I'm going to start with taking an x-ray, just make sure everything looks okay in there.
Okay.
Giving birth to puppies is a pretty stressful experience.
She did not want to leave them.
And I think Aspen's immune system is just a little bit suppressed by the experience and created these problems of the vomiting and diarrhea.
Temperature is normal.
Yay! Her temperature is kind of on the high end of normal, but she doesn't have a fever, which is excellent news.
Very relaxed abdomen.
Her abdomen feels nice and soft, and she doesn't seem too uncomfortable, which are all really good signs.
All right, let's see if we see anything.
Every litter that Aspen has had, she's always thrown every color. The colors of Dobermans are black, blue, red, and your fawn.
Brave girl. You can take her back out so she can be with her babies.
Aspen is an excellent mom. She is very protective of them, and I would hate for anything to happen to her.
So I took a picture. There is quite a bit of gas in her intestines. You can see kind of all this stool.
Yeah, but she was having diarrhea for days.
Yeah, so we got rid of the diarrhea, but I think we kind of went too far the other way.
Home treatment overcorrected the diarrhea into constipation.
As far as medications, I am going to start her on an antibiotic. I'm also going to give her some medication for nausea.
I think with the medications that we're starting today, she'll hopefully recover quickly.
This was scary. I feel way better. I'm really glad that there's nothing really wrong with Aspen, that it was just from the stress of laboring.